back to my channel and welcome back to Vlogtober. If you are new here, I am LuceStephenson, but you can call me Luce because we are all friends here. Throughout the month of October, I'm going to be uploading a new video every 2 days, and there's going to be some bonus videos in between as well. Today, it is Face Mask Friday, my first ever one of these series that I'm hopefully going to start up on my channel, and we're going to be testing a Kale face mask. So this is what the face mask looks like. I got it in the Mask Time Korean face mask subscription box. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check them out. But this claims to be the best for anti-stress and redness relief as well. It says simply take it from the package, spread it all over your face, avoiding the eye and lip area, and then just leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then pat in anything that's left remaining on the skin. Let's try it. So this is my skin before, just so you can kind of see what it looks like before we put the mask on, then we can compare it afterwards. I don't really suffer much with redness, but I do suffer with stress. So hopefully it'll help me with that. And when you take it out of the package, it just looks like this. It's very drippy. It's like dripped all over my legs. How do people get these masks so that they actually look like it's just the skin? This is what it looks like. I can't really talk with it on because it kind of moves it about. But I'll be back in 15 to 20 minutes. It's time to take it off. Oh, it feels nice. And I'm going to just tap it in and rub in whatever is left on the skin. So this is what the skin looks like afterwards. I do think it feels very plump and hydrated and super glowy. So that is my review on the Kale face mask. Leave a comment down below and let me know what other face masks you'd like me to try, and don't forget to come back in 2 days time for another Vlogtober video, and don't forget to enter my giveaway. All of them are linked on the screen right now for you. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Bye guys.